This is Bemo Corner. If I turn left there, there's the way to go to Sanur and Nusa Dua. And if I turn right, there's the way to go to Kuta Beach. And today I will make video along Legian Street. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali, start from the south part at Bemo Corner until to the north area on Raya Legian Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Raya Legian Street. We hope we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Okay, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Rapi. Tamay. Wah, cantik-cantik. Silver shop. Oh, this is silver. They learn how to make silver up there. Sorry, there's some loud music, so I have to talk. Yeah, so for on video, we can sit together in this area on Legian Street. So quiet, isn't it? Even on the footpaths, almost no people out there. Really sad. Yeah, right side. This is the location of Bounty Club and Paddy's Pub. Now they are closing down the Legian area in Legian Bali, the Legian nightclub in Kuta, Bali, but now they are closing down. Left side, same. Citrus over there. Kidai, mate. Enjoy your ride. Enjoy your ride. Slow down. Careful. Engine room. Sky garden. Yeah, so far in video we can see together in this area. It's just really quiet, isn't it? Really, really sad. I don't know why. 2 p.m. usually a lot of tourists after lunch they are doing shopping and walk around on the footpath. But today, it's just so quiet. Really sad. This restaurant we call VIP. Now it's changed the name. And at the front, Ground Zero area, the memorial. Wow, even in this area, so quiet, isn't it? Tropo zone. Okay guys, so this is our view today in Legian Bali on Legian Street. So what do you think? It's very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Really sad, really quiet. Really big change. So quiet, so strange. So sad. Poor, until here. Almost no one. Almost no tourists in Legian Bali today. What's happening? See, along the footpath, it's empty. Thank you, bye-bye. Wow. So quiet. Really, really quiet. Almost no one here. Cry, my friend. Bring a guitar. Really sad. Traffic jam.